The Lumia 830 is Nokia's last mid-range effort before its entire smartphone business was gobbled up and rebranded as Microsoft Lumia. Nevertheless, the handset will be updated to the unifying Windows 10 when it lands later this year, so it is far from irrelevant still. Lumia 830 is hardly a spec'd-out device when it comes to the main mobile components, as it features a lowly Snapdragon 400 chipset, 1GB of RAM, and a 720p display only, but Nokia has thrown in a couple of perks that set it apart not only in the Windows Phone crown, but also from mainstream Androids. Can a 10MP optically stabilized camera, and Nokia's rich recording with surround sound audio be enough to prevent the Lumia 830 from sinking into oblivion before Windows 10 hits? Let's see. In the box. Nokia AC61.5A wall charger. Nokia charging and data cable. Warranty and information leaflets. The Lumia 830 sports all the bells and whistles that Microsoft's mobile platform can currently offer, and was already promised to be in line for the upcoming Windows 10 upgrade. Windows Phone 8.1 introduced a host of new features including a drag-down notification center, Action Center, that is home to all your notifications, and also to 4 toggles that you can conveniently use to quickly adjust brightness, switch Wi-Fi on or off, etc. You can customize the function of the 4 toggles from settings. The brightness toggle is particularly useful, since you can quickly change between low, medium, and high brightness levels without needing to go into settings every time, like before. In the Action Center, you can now also see the actual battery percentage, and the date, which is neat. As for notifications, you can swipe them away one by one to discard them, or you can clear them all in bulk, like the heads-up notifications style that is an Android lollipop. Windows Phone 8.1 has also gotten plenty of new customization options including the capability to finally have a wallpaper, start background, on your home screen. Well, kind of, as it is not plastered behind the tiles, like it will be in Windows 10, but rather works as a common tile background. How does it fit with all those live tiles? In fact, the wallpaper occupies space from the tiles, and scrolls live with them. A lot of those live tiles aren't transparent, and thus do not all show the wallpaper, so it looks a bit like a mosaic. But the achieved effect is still unorthodox. There are lots of other, smaller improvements like the neat quiet hours feature. It is a do not disturb option in essence, that can automatically activate in certain hours. It also works with a calendar, and when you're in a meeting, it'd automatically put your phone into silent mode. For the enterprise world, Windows phones can have their passwords changed and remotely locked, certain functionalities can be restricted, and individual app installation can be allowed or denied on a case-by-case basis.